Hey guys, here is yet another video from Prime Side. How have you been doing? So in this video on how to make my anti-aging face and body oil, the first oil here I'll be using as my carrier oil here is my Rosehip oil. Rosehip oil is a very beautiful carrier oil that is non-comedogenic. It is lightweight. It won't clog pores or cause any form of breakouts. Rosehip oil also has anti-aging properties. It has skin brightening properties and also radiant glowing properties. It's a very beautiful choice of oil when making face oils and when making oils for body. Another carrier oil of choice is my golden jojoba oil. Golden jojoba oil also contains similar properties with that of rosehip oil. It is also lightweight and non-comedogenic. It doesn't clog pores or cause any form of breakout. It's a nice choice for anti-aging products, and it also has skin brightening properties. So I'm choosing these two oils here. I'll give you a subsequent substitutes for these carrier oils before the end of this video, and then I'll be going in with my most important ingredient for this recipe, which is my CoEnzyme Q10. This is a compound that the body naturally produces, and it's a powerful antioxidant against sun damage and free radicals, against UV radiations of the sun, which is the primary reason why our skin really age fast. It super helps to fight oxidation and is a very great stimulant for elastin and collagen production for the skin. It is one good choice for products that are aimed at fighting aging on the skin. Another oil of choice here is our Buckthorn oil for anti-aging. Buckthorn oil is rich in linoleic fatty acid, which makes it a great moisturizer. It also contains beta carotene, which is a perfect antioxidant and has great anti-aging factors. One thing I like about Buckthorn is the fact that it's a regenerating cell oil, and it helps to turn over old skin cells and reveal new ones, thus fighting wrinkles and fine lines. And then I'm going to go in with my vitamin A oil, not only as an antioxidant but as an extra ingredient to help fight sun damage. So I'm adding this oil here to help fight free radicals, help to prevent from sun damage, as a great moisturizer, and as an antioxidant to increase or to extend the shelf life of this oil. After this, I'm going to be adding my Argan essential oil. Argan is really potent in skin firming, helps to eradicate fine lines and wrinkles. So I chose it here as a very great choice for my anti-aging oil. So after this, I'm just going to stir in my oils and make sure they're really mixed well together. My beaker is really full. I actually plan on making just 100 grams, but because I measured in grams, not in mil, and all oils would not be same weight, that's why it's a bit full in the beaker. So after this, I'm just going to transfer my oil into my bottle, and then finally, to give this oil a really beautiful look, I'm going to go in with my Safflower strands. I labeled that saffron because initially I thought it was saffron, but later on I found saffron and I was like, whoa. So yeah, this is Safflower actually. And so I'm just doing this because of the beauty of it and not really because of their therapeutic use. I just wanted this to look really beautiful and natural, and then I shook very well to make sure it was well incorporated, and as you can see, it really looks great. Yeah, so that's that for anti-aging oil. Always shake this oil before use well on a dry skin and a normal skin. If you have an oily skin, you can use this on your body and not on your face, not because it's going to cause you any form of acne or breakouts, but because you already have excess oil production and you would not want to add to the excess oil you're already having, because even though your oil is non-comedogenic, too much oil there can actually clog pores, and then you start having breakouts. So to avoid this, just totally avoid oil on your oily face. But if you have a normal skin or dry skin, then, or a combination skin at least, you can use this oil on your face. But if not, go on your body and you're good to go. Please help to give this video a thumb up. It really helps me to grow this channel more. Subscribe to my channel, share my videos, leave a comment. If you have any questions, I'll be right there to reply you. And until I see you again in another video, I hope you take care of yourself and goodbye.